Welcome to the Information Center of International Contractors. If you enjoy what you are provided, please support us by liking and subscribing. Tender Notice, Design, Supply and Installation of Weight and Dimensional Control System along Dushanbe, Tursunzade and Dushanbe, Bokhtar highways. This notice announces an invitation for bids for the fourth phase of the Central Asia Regional Links Program, a project identified by the project ID P166820. The tender, with notice no OP00333067, aims to secure the design, supply, and installation of a weight and dimensional control system, including weigh-in-motion (WM) equipment. This is being conducted through a request for bids procurement method, with the borrower bid reference noted as CARS/RFB Goods 03. The submission deadline is set for February 28, 2025, at 1400 hours, and the notice was published on January 13, 2025. This project is being funded through the International Development Association Grant No. IDA D6990-TJ. The Ministry of Transport of the Republic of Tajikistan is the procuring entity, and Farid Mehmet Soda is listed as the contact person, reachable at pitmantransj@gmail.com. The equipment is to be deployed at two locations within the Ministry State Unitary Enterprise, one at the eastern gate of Dushanbe City, Koryakaran Village, along the Dushanbe, Tursunzade Highway, and the other at the southern gate of Dushanbe City, Gulbuta Village, along the Dushanbe, Bokhtar Highway. This tender is conducted under a two-envelope bidding process without pre-qualification and is officially labeled as a specific procurement notice by the Ministry with RFB No. CARS/RFB Goods 03, issued on January 10, 2025.